Welcome. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry, I was a little bit late, but I'm here. All right, let's see what's going on. Good morning, with no fear. It's that time of the day. Yes, Shenanigan, good to see you back. Robert, welcome. And the Mexican John Wick in person. Let's see the new car. A little bit, just a little bit of patience. Red, good morning. Bowser and Fisher Trader is here. Good morning. Nathan just entered the building. Hello, hello. All right. Good morning, Nathan. And everybody. Everybody who's lurking in the background, good morning to you. Hey, Temder. Oh, OG viewer. And as I just said, OG, here comes Tommy into the building. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Tudor. Oh, you just came to see the car. Get out of here, man. Tudor, welcome. Saucy G, what up? Good morning. Oh, happy Valentine's Day to everybody, by the way. If you guys are still in the past on the West Coast, then I can say I'm in the future. So, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Albert, hey. Oh, yeah, the new car video, almost ready. I picked up the car yesterday. I'm just saying, I picked up the car. I drove it home. Oh, man. It's not a Lambo, but you know, the budget was $5,500, so obviously not a Lambo. Reza is here. Welcome, Reza. And Red, happy Valentine's Day. And yeah, to all the single people too, I would say. Yes, to the single people, to the ones who are having spouse. It's not the correct way to pronounce it or say it. Anyway, you know what I mean. Reza, welcome. Yeah, a small Lambo. Small Lambo. I already started to do the video editing. It's gonna be like a few minutes long only. So it most likely, I think the video is gonna be like it's gonna be very much like a car YouTuber video or something. It's not gonna be too much trading related, but you know, guys, I do have that section, the playlist with the vlogs, which I do sometimes. So it's gonna be a little bit of a vlog car review video. But hey, I do mention trading in the video. So just a tire, maybe. Yes. Almost the same car as Mr. Bean, but don't tell anyone. It's a secret. It's a secret because the video is under editing right now. It's under editing. I'm gonna finish with the editing today because I really want to share the info. I'm gonna finish with the editing today and I'm gonna put it out. I had a farewell, emotional goodbye to the Mazda, so that's in the video too. And then jumping into the future of automobile. The new car. Anyway. Yeah, it's a new car for me. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, Bessem. It's almost a Dodge. It's almost a Dacia. Yeah. Car is a car. It does the job. It is definitely going to be able to take me from point A to B. I'm certain it will make it. And it has no rust. It has no rust. We checked it everywhere. Not a single little dip of rust anywhere on the car. So the condition is absolutely mint, like pristine condition. I couldn't believe my eyes. How could this be possible? I had to check with the dealership, actually, with the mechanic shops that the car was in, because we have a full service history. And I had to check that, is this real? Is this car, was it really there? Is this not just a fake service history? But yeah, it's there. It happened. So it's really the previous owner or owners were definitely spending money on the car and making sure that it was maintained properly. So that means a lot to me. So anyway, just a second, I'll be right back. Sorry, everybody. I had to meet with someone. But I'm here. Beanie Player, hey there. It has no rust, yeah. I'm older than it, which is good, yeah. Yeah, so we are definitely pushing higher, and the problem with this on my end is that, well, let's look at some levels first, okay? Let's look at some levels, and I'm gonna be checking the chat in a minute. Good morning, Isham. Ollie, good morning. The car is at home. Don't worry, we have the car. The video is under editing. Thank you, Bowser. Thank you. Good morning, Naomi. Good morning. Thank you so much. Thank you. Well, it's an old car. I mean, it's 15 years old. Actually, almost 16. But it's an absolute mint condition, and you will see in the video what I'm talking about. It's gonna be a car review video. All right. So bearish order block, by the way. Good target on the 1 hour chart. Is this all-time high? Feels like it, right? Okay, seems like it. Anyway, let's see. Farhad, good morning. We need the balance. Now I'm okay. I'm sorry about the delay. I'm sorry. I had to meet with someone. Oh yeah, so did I tell did I tell the wifey? Oh, well, let me just tell you. There was a few minutes when she saw the car. There was a few minutes with a huge question mark if I'm gonna be sleeping on the couch or not. And it took for at least a few minutes. Yeah. Morning. Good morning, Alex. Blink twice. How much is this? Help me. Help me. I need a place. Good morning, Sebastian. Oh yeah, I definitely enjoy it. I definitely. Obviously, for this kind of money, because obviously it's not an expensive car, it's a cheap one, but you can expect some minor glitches in the car, which it has. It has actually, well, I would say one cosmetic issue on the outside, which is okay. I'm not gonna bother with it, and it has a small minor mechanical issue, but it's easily repairable actually. So actually, yeah, two small items. On both eval, no, on evaluation account you can do whatever you want, Red. Oh, definitely. The seats are comfortable, really. The seats are comfortable. Are very much comfortable. Did I say too? Do I say too much if I say it has leather seats? Oh, maybe I said too much. It has leather seats. Anyway, perfect condition, by the way. Gold. Look at gold. What's it doing? Sam, I'm still alive, but I'm gonna tell you guys, it was really, really, really. I took a huge risk. I mean, I like to take risks, you know. That's why we're here. But I really took a really big risk with this car, and when I showed it to the wifey, oh. Well, your first Apex account. Let's go. The cheat code is Tom Sabo. Actually, I like that phrase. The cheat code for evaluation accounts is Tom Sabo. So the first reaction of the wifey, you know, I took her down to the garage, put on the lights, and she saw the car and she was like, "Oh no." That's what she said, like, "Oh no. Oh no." And the second words she said, like third, "Why?" So first two words, "Oh no." And the third word was, "Why? Why?" And the fourth and the fifth word was also, "Why? Why?" Yeah, trader's risk taker. Exactly. So the first initial reaction, I was like holding on to dear life, like, "Oh no," and "Why?" And then I told her, "Don't worry, just step closer." With 600 win each day, is that a good? Oh, definitely, absolutely. Let's see. Which prop firm is that? Is that Bulenox? Definitely good. Thank you, Reza. Thank you so much. Well, it's my phone. Oh, you're fine. You're absolutely good. You're good. You're good, Jonathan. You're good. Absolutely good. Thank you, Reza. Thank you. Well, obviously, it's not gonna be a Lambo. It's a used car. But the condition compared to other ones in the same category and same age and same everything is wow. The Toyota Corolla is actually a superb vehicle. This one that I bought has been made in 2009 March, so third month of 2009, which means it's almost at its 16 years mark. It's still under 16 years, so it's technically, well, it's in the 16 year, so but who cares? One day at 1500 and restaurant 600 to create. Oh yeah, that's a good idea, Jonathan. That's a good idea. By the way, I'm not gonna go long here. That's what I'm just waiting for a short, to be honest. Looking for maybe an Asia low or whatever. I'm also watching gold, but nothing that I like. I do like this 5-minute gap on gold. I think this is excellent. I like this liquidity. Right there. I might. Oh, I haven't even started Quant Tower. I need to start Quant Tower. Okay. So there's a 5-minute BC here on gold. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. I think it looks okay-ish. Michael, good morning. Welcome. I promise you guys the car video is gonna be out today. Hopefully, I still have to do an edit, and I do have to finish with one small short video. I'm doing an interior and an exterior review of the car, and I still have to do some finish, but it's gonna be a vlog video. Sometimes I do that, so but no response to your ticket? Usually they reply within 1 or 2 business days nowadays, actually. Isuzu. The Isuzu is actually, I've been told that the Isuzu is actually a very, very reliable engine. Everybody told me about Isuzus that those are very reliable. 2005 Acura, that's nice. And it's in 2008. Nice, then you know everything in that car inside out. Silver? I don't even have silver on my trading view here. I'm gonna check it. Good morning. If I forgot to say good morning to anyone, then I'm sorry. Good morning, everybody. Passed an Apex Eval, and what sucks, I didn't know I had to pay another to activate funded account. You didn't know? Oh. Oh. I'm not shorting yet. I'm just looking for a possible short. But I'm not shorting it right now. The problem is I don't have good targets on the downside. I was looking for bullish order blocks, but there is none that I like to take here. Maybe one here, down there. Not a good one. It's not a nice one. It can work, but this one here maybe, but it's not a good one. It's not a proper one, but anyway, we'll see. Because going long, the next target would be at 329 that I like. Maybe the 200s. We can put a line. So actually, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting here. Nissim, good morning. Welcome. Batista, hey. Welcome. So waiting for the move. What is happening here? MyFundedFutures has connection issues right now. Should be okay. Cash all. Hey, good morning. Absolutely with a good vibe. With a good vibe, yeah. With a good vibe, but it's absolutely, there's always good vibes here, you know. Even if we're just talking about life or cars or whatever, it could be trading related. I'm gonna take off this. I don't know what's this called, but it's too hot here. I'm gonna lose some clothes here. Okay. How long is Apex ticket support? Well, usually 1 or 2 business days. Interesting that they didn't reply like in 2 days, or it takes them 3 days now. Last time I got a reply in 2 business days from them. There was also an issue in January. I sent them an email at the New York Open, and I got a reply within 2 hours. So obviously, anything in between, I guess. Still no response. It's your 3rd day. It takes them about 2 to 7 days for approval. Somebody said on Discord. Usually a few days. I asked it in December from some people who I saw were receiving payouts, and I immediately like jumped onto a DM with them, and I was asking like, how is your experience? And some said that usually a few days, they have to wait a few days for approval or the payout. So You should be okay, Reza. But so far, they told me everyone has been paid. So, well, it's never a good thing if the approval takes long. But last time I was applying for Apex, it took them 5 or 6 business days. For example, at Apex, I know it's not Tick Trader, but at Apex, it took them 5 or 6 business days. I don't know how they're doing it nowadays. Oh yeah, totally forgot to answer to DJ Free Days. Um, so you can wait with the activation. So you're not in a rush. You can wait with it. Karsten, good morning. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you very much. These companies have a predatory business model. Why people just don't trade their own money? Yeah, I mean, DJ for days. The thing is, I wish I could trade with like a few $1,000s just for trading, only for trading. But again, I don't feel skilled enough to hold my account hold my personal funds, my personal trading account against if I go on full tilt. I'm sure I would have lost thousands of dollars over and over on my personal account. I'm so in a way we need the buying power. That's why we're trading with prop firms. We need the leverage, we need the buying power. That's what we're paying for, basically. As you started at 500, you grew to 2,000 in 2 weeks. But still, hey, 500 to 2,000 is an excellent job. That is awesome. In 2 weeks. Wow. So, one short 22, 155. I'm a little bit cautious right now. This is a little bit slopey for me. It almost feels like a bullish flag. I'm not sure. Relative equal highs. I'm still waiting on the 1 minute. Looks a little. I don't know. Hey, 100 lot. Email for saying that they sent out my payout and I'm broke. Any update? The Take Profit Trader account is still active. Yesterday I talked with this friend who Reza is sponsored, and he's still working on the account. So 100 lot, the Apex payout. Last time it took them a few days, 5 or 6 days. Usually nowadays they say it's because they changed the banks. They use Plane.com, and Plane.com changed banks. It takes them between 2 to 7 business days to pay out 100 lot. But they pay out everybody. I mean, the ones who got approved. In Discord, a lot of people waiting more than 10 days. Wow, I haven't checked that. It's just recently. Let me log into that Discord, Reza. Let me check it. Let me check that. 10 days. Some a month. This the what? Let me check. Big trader. No. Where is this? Where is this? Lounge. Okay. Oh, okay. What the hell is going on? But their Trustpilot is still good. I don't know. I have to check on their Discord what's going on. I have to read everything there. I really hope TickTickTrader is staying on the right track because I really do want to build up. Their Trustpilot reviews are good, thousands of thousands. They're in business for years now. They always acted up like professionally handling their business, answering questions, everything. Payouts were happening. I have no reason to doubt them so far. I don't know why some people are waiting. Can you give a little expression of how you intervene in the DOM or some tips? Batista, I don't trade the DOM. I don't use it at all. So I actually have no idea how to trade with that. So I wish I could tell you, but I absolutely don't use it. We need buying power, yeah. Good morning, Artie. Good to see you. If you pass an eval, you can grow to 500. Oh. So, yeah, so if one can pass an evaluation, you have the ability to grow 500 account. That's actually good. Where will deposit 500? Which sites? Well, I think TradeAway or MFutures, or I don't know which. Some of these futures brokerages allow you to trade with as low as a few $100s. I think. I'm not sure which one. Somebody told me maybe TradeAway or Ninja or AMP or I don't know. Some of these even letting you to trade with $200 or something. Yeah. And futures has $100 minimum. Oh, there you go. $100 minimum with that New York session micro. Oh, 5 per contract. That's good. So with AMP you can go as little as 100. No, Batista, I'm sorry. I just really don't. I wish I could help you out, but I absolutely don't use the DOM. Just to open a micro at TradeAway. Okay, so if you, for example, go with $500 or $600, you're good to go with 1 or 2 micros on Nasdaq, right? So you can put on a few trades. I mean, 1 or 2 micro contracts. That's good. Oh yeah, TopStep came out with some, I don't want to say anything, but some interesting, not too good, a little bit of a shady change in their terms of use, but anyway. No more than 10 combines per month and 2 resets per day. So if it goes against one tick against you, you'll be margin. What? Margin called? So you then definitely need, like, to be safe, a few $100, like 5, 8, 9. Let's just say it's better to go with like $2,000 or $1,500 at least. Oh, definitely, Sam. The hardest part is keeping that. Yeah. Thank you. I know. I know it's thank you. I know. I'm just sorry I couldn't help you out with information about the DOM. Yeah, so to be playing safe, you at least need $1,500 or maybe $2,000 then. Iron Beam, yeah. Trade very small, yeah. Close your short. 15 points. Good job there. I forgot to... I'm actually looking to go short on gold. Maybe I'll take it. Should I take it to 3 micros? Yeah, why not? I entered the short on gold, targeting the 5-minute CB. Yeah, 51.3 would be my target using a tight stop. So short on gold. How does it look like? Here it is. Short on gold, targeting this area down there. Nothing super fancy. Obviously, in the big picture, gold is super bullish. I was just hoping that it might want to sweep some lows. So oh, let's go back to NQ. So this to me was looking like, actually on the 5-minute, it looks like on the 5-minute like a bullish flag. I might jump in just to try it with an evaluation account to try out the bullish flag formation. Small account. You have to be happy with scalp. Oh, trust me. If I would be scalping $20-$40 on my personal small account, if I would be scalping, I would be definitely happy. You know, if I scalp $40 for a day or 30, I would be definitely leaving that small account. Like I'm talking about a few $100s. They're going to need money from those blown accounts, and they know it. Yeah, Naomi, I definitely. You have a good point. So, actually, this rule, I mean, that you cannot purchase more than 10 combines. That's actually interesting. That is going to cut their profits pretty much. I mean, let's just be real. There are individuals, maybe not traders, who are actually buying 20 combines in one single day. In one single day. And I think I absolutely not saying anything crazy with that, because there are many people at Top Step. Obviously, they are in a different financial situation, but still, they're buying 10, 20 combines in one single day. One day. So by limiting down to 10 combines per month, they're definitely going to cut their income deeply. Yeah, that's also a solution, yeah, to their... Yeah, the discipline is that what we need to work on still. The discipline part, yeah. $30, $50 per day and done. And you see, you know, you make $30 and $30 for a day, and like, wow, that's like $600, $900, $1,000 per month if you can repeat that process on a monthly basis. So that is actually cold hard cash, which you can withdraw anytime. So it's very good. I was meditating the other day. Yes, I'm gonna repeat that. I was meditating and I was thinking about trading on my personal account, which I don't have yet, but I will. And I was thinking that when, not if, forget the word if, It's just when I will be trading on my personal account, which is going to have like $10,000 or $20,000 at least, actually more and more, I will be able to make like $1,000 or $2,000, I think, in profit on average. Not saying every single month, but on average. And I think it's absolutely possible. That will be a huge stepping stone, and then up from there. And I can imagine that one happening. And I will be very happy with the $30, $50, $100 trades on an account like that, even if I have $10,000 in capital. Oh no, my gold trade is disaster. My gold trade. I thought that this is just gonna go down. Sounds like something rips from Top Step. Yeah, something. Yes, maybe. Is it for all users or those who receive email? I think it's for all users, Reza. I'm not sure. Somebody told me it's gonna be a global rule, but I'm not sure. To 3 or 5 1,500 accounts trade only, yeah. And you can do that. The keys, don't be greedy. Easy to say. Yes, I know. Yeah, AK. Easy to say, but absolutely that's the key. Don't be greedy. Yeah. And as we talked about it, so there are many strategies out there. So many strategies out there. And I'm sure there are lots of ways to make money, and these strategies do have an edge. Lots of strategies have an edge over the market. But at the end of the day, it's all going to be about discipline and risk management. So you can find an endless amount of profitable strategies only on YouTube for free. So the strategy is not the key point. That's the smallest part in trading. That's the smallest part in trading. You can make money with a super simple bull flag strategy, like or bear flag, like Reza used to, or he's trading bullish flags, bearish flags. We talked about it last time. Some of you guys are trading with trend lines, which I think is awesome, by the way, and the bull flag pattern is also reliable. For example, by the way, we're talking about this on the 5-minute. Look at this. Bull flag. For me, this is a bull flag. If there would be a candle to displace higher, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, boom. Here's your bull flag pattern, just saying. But we don't know if this trade would be a loss or a winner. What you can do is you have to execute these patterns one by one. When you see this, execute. And if you sample size like at least 20, 50, or 60, maybe 100 trades, you will be sure that if you have a 55, 60, 65% win rate, you're going to make money with only this simple strategy here. With only this. Just this. Nothing else. And you don't need smart money concepts, ICT, Wyckoff, whatever. Nothing special. Just this. Yes, that's true with no fear. Yeah. I think Tosta said it wasn't a hard rule. Sounds positive and X about it. Oh, I see. Okay. I think London Open takes out those equal highs. I think it has a possibility, yes. So if we see a displacement here, then yeah, I think we have a good chance for it. I'm not sure what Reza's favorite chart pattern, but I think in the last stream we talked about the bull flags and the bear flags. And I think he mentioned something that he likes to trade these patterns. which, you know, makes sense because look at this. It doesn't really get any better than this. Bullish flag. We are expecting an up close candle real soon. If we're gonna have that up close candle, just for, you know, just for the stream, I'm gonna take the trade. If this one is making a displacement higher, I'm going to enter with a 1-to-1, just a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If we get a displacement higher from here. Oops, I don't know what I did. Oh yeah, I know. Switch the charts by accident. You need to win 2 trades out of 5 to be profitable. Yes, that's true. That's true, Pip Hunter. With a 1-to-2. Full port for the stream. I'm not doing it now. No full port yet. No full port. Look lower down. There was a bull flag and it worked. Lower. Yesterday or today? There was a bull flag. Let me just point out some bull flags that I think could have been not a perfect bull flag, but could have worked. There's another one here, I think. Look at this. These here, I think these are proper bull flags. Oops, sorry. Come on. Bull flags. Bull flag. You know. Is what I think. Today. 22-130. Yeah, there you go. I knew this is the one you're talking about. Yes. Next stream with Methodical Man. Yes, I would like to have a stream with Methodical Man. I would definitely like to have a stream with Methodical Man. He's an excellent trader and no troll. I really think. I don't know how he does it. I mean, he has the nerves to. I'm not able to trade with minis on the funded accounts. I can't handle it, but he can, which tells you that he really has good nerves for trading. So he's good. Full Port Friday. Oh yeah, it's Friday, everybody. I totally forgot that it's Friday. By the way, one minor glitch about the car. I'm sorry, I'm mentioning the car again. One minor glitch which I was able to bring the price down a little bit with is that the battery is a little bit faulty. I mean, not bad, but obviously it has an issue. The battery has an issue, so I have to get a new battery. I think I'm gonna visit the workshop. I mean the car mechanic shop today to have a battery because the current one is already having issues. I have to buy a battery. So that was a minor glitch, easy to replace like that, no problem. Battery issue. And there is one more small glitch I have to fix. That's actually there's a little bit of a condensation on the inside of the front windscreen. Just a little bit of condensation, but my mechanic told me there's nothing serious, there's nothing leaking. They checked it. The issue is that there could be a rubber seal at the bottom of the window or the windshield that could be a little bit damaged or whatever. They have to change the rubber seal and seal it properly because when there is a rainy or foggy weather, some rain or water can go through, and that's why there's a small condensation when it pushing the hot air onto the windshield. So that's just a small one, but no leakage or anything. It most likely be a rubber seal which they have to change at the windscreen. That's the small glitch. That's the only. These are the two issues with the car: battery and the small rubber seal that has to be replaced. Yeah, that one. We're doing okay. We're good. Shorts at 131. 131. 131. Down there. Yeah. Oh, if to go there, yes, that would be good. Oh, the gold trade is finally going to its place. Let's go, gold. Bull and bear flags works when it tests the weave up. Okay, okay. So with the weave up, okay, it's the best one. So okay, so so when it is in reaction with the weave up, when it tests the weave up, so the price gets down, or is it around the weave up? I think it's, yeah, when the flag is around the weave up, right? Hey, Marshall MMA, what's up? Morning from Denmark. I wish you the same, Great Dane. Thank you for joining. Nix, it's still a secret, but I'm gonna be uploading the video today. It's still a secret, and everybody's gonna have the same facepalm effect. My girlfriend, when she saw the car, the first two, I'm gonna tell you guys the first 3 words she said. The first 2 words she said, "Oh no." That was the first 2 words. The third word was why. Yeah, like first 2, oh no. The third, why? Why? So for a few minutes, I was in jeopardy to sleep on the couch or not. So fortunately, I got away with it. The price came, test the weave up, and make bear and bull flags. It works most of the time. Let me see if I have a weave up here. The weave up. Do I have the weave up here? Where's the weave up? I don't have the weave up. Where's the weave up? Come on. It's not displaying the... Oh, there's an issue. Something gone wrong with one or more of your indicators. Please expand the indicator list for more details. Jesus. What's wrong with the VWAP? I don't know. Something's wrong. I don't have a VWAP indicator right now. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, now it doesn't really look like a bull flag, but who knows? Picking up liquidity from down here. You know, there's a bull flag here as well. How about this? So I think, I mean, not the most beautiful one I know, and this was an Asia session, but I know it's not beautiful and it's easy to look back and say. But the entry would have been here, where the arrow starts. So if I enter here, and if I put my stop loss down here below the swing, I aim for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So nothing fancy, nothing super sensational, just a 1-to-1 risk to reward covering some commission. This would have been a good trade, right? So is this a valid trade? Because my only issue with these kind of bull flags, I'm sorry, I'm zooming this out, is we have this candle which is displacing higher. Now the problem is, what should I do? Should I enter aggressively at the close of the candle, or should I wait for a pullback? And with that, I'm risking if the trade would go straight up there. So should I use an aggressive entry, or should I wait for pullbacks? You know, that's also a question I'm still trying to figure out. Oh, by the way, we had the London Open. Totally forgot. Totally forgot about the London Open. Yes, this is TradingView, but I do have the quant hour charts as well. This is a gold short that I took earlier. The 2-minute time frames. Okay. Oh, okay. Dumpy. Oh, definitely Naomi. The London Open actually is just so unpredictable. Buy stop at the top of the bull flag. Better for break of previous candles high. The one that broke the flag. Okay, so a buy stop here, maybe. So let's just take this. I'm sorry, I'll be back for the current chart action. Just for example, here's a swing high here. Here's a swing high on this structure, market structure. Sorry. This here, this bullish candle is breaking that swing high on the 5 minutes. So should I put a buy stop to this level, and then boom, I'm in the trade, or should I wait for the close? Because at this point, it could be just a fake out, you know, just a wick, and then goes down. So there's many ways to enter into a trade like this. That's why it's better for break. Okay, go for 1 to 2. That's true actually. If I go with the break, then it's better to go for a higher risk to reward. Target, yeah, Joel. Steam, what up? Pros and cons of Bulenox. Obviously, honestly, Steam, let me tell you something. I have nothing real bad thing against Bulenox. I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. Don't tell anyone, because you know it's the internet. I got a payout from Bulenox, right? So you guys saw that just now on yesterday, 2 days ago. And when I blow up my accounts, latest video where I blow all my accounts, I got full tilt. And I switched to Bulenox because I didn't copy trade that, because Bulenox is not letting you to copy trade, right? So I switched manually, still on full tilt, and my brain was still on full tilt. I switched to Bulenox, and I traded with 7 minis. 7 minis. 7 minis with Bulenox, maximum full port on a funded account. I made $1,000 on a 7 mini scalp, just for a few points. 7 mini scalp, $1,000. That's a windfall trade. That's a lucky trade. Now, don't tell anyone, but the new rules in the master account agreement in Bulenox says these windfall trades are not something that they like. And if someone enters a full 7 mini trade for a lucky entry, they have the right to deny the payout. So I told this even to Methodical, man, like, hey, I think I might gonna get denied on this payout because I just full ported, and on the other days I was trading micros. But hey, I got the payout. I got the payout with Bulenox. They didn't ask questions. They didn't anything. I got the payout. So if you're asking what's the negative thing about Bulenox, no negative thing. The only thing maybe for some of you guys is there's a 10-day minimum cycle. So with Apex it's 8 days or something. With Bulenox it's 10-day minimum. The activation fee for the big accounts is expensive. So anything above 50k account is super expensive, I think. That's the only thing which I don't like. Otherwise, everybody, Bulenox doesn't have any social media, anything at all, anything. They fly under the radar and they pay out people since years now. No social media, no Twitter. I mean, they have one, but their Twitter is dead since 2023. Nothing. No Twitter. no Discord, no nothing. Officially. There's some unofficial groups, obviously, but nothing official. And they just pay out people. Flying under the radar. You know, interesting. That's my opinion about Bulenox. Good morning, Kirk. What up? Let's look at the M2 and see if it closes above. Yeah, that's a good idea. Am I gonna look into that, testing it? Retest. That is the entry. Oh, thank you, Sebastian. That's actually, yeah, that's actually a good idea. Look at that. We're going down. Sorry, I'm gonna lead this from here. If you buy stuff, but again, need discipline. Yes, noise. Full poor Bulenox. Thank you, 100 lot. Well, it was a $1,500 payout, so it was actually not even 1,000, but it was 1,500. Oh, Perry! Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, Perry, or Pare. I don't know. I'm sorry if I butchered the name there. Welcome. Yeah, I must say, and I know it sounds weird, but Bulenox is almost like better than Top Step. The only thing that you guys might don't like is the intraday trailing stop, which I don't really care about because it's gonna lock in anyway. So, no questions. Exactly, Casual. No questions asked. Yes. 10 days for your payout. Yeah, and they pay out every week. So once you are eligible for a payout, every Wednesday they pay out. That's it. And the payout from they use Wise. So from their Wise account to my bank account, it took 34 minutes to pay out. So Wise is super fast. Obviously, it's because of Wise. But the payout happened in 34 minutes with Bulenox. But it only happens on Wednesdays, every Wednesday. Still, my favorite is, one of the other favorite is Take Profit Trader. So I know I'm talking about everything in Bulenox, but my one of the biggest go-to is Take Profit Trader. I can't wait to put the pro account above the threshold, and I'm gonna be getting payouts every day. That's a known fact. I want to use Take Profit Trader as an ATM machine. That's what I want to use it for. 100 lots saying 121. Let's see. The thing is, I didn't have a target on the downside here that I would like to go for. I didn't even know how the gold trade looks. Oh, it's in drawdown again. It was in profit. Now we're back to drawdown. I don't like it. Wise. Sorry, Wise. From Wise, they use Wise, not Rise, but yeah. They use Wise online bank, Wise. So international bank transfer with Wise took 34 minutes. You feel cheated with trading. I don't even think Bulenox is checking the trade copy thing, except maybe using project. Yeah, maybe. I think you have a point there, Naomi. I think they just don't have the staff for it. And I think they just don't have a software for it. They just put it there to, you know. So I don't think they're checking it at all. Like, it takes too much energy and time to check it. Hey, Pare. We trade NQ right now, but I had a gold short as well. Yeah, I trade the US market too. I trade the US market too and the London session. I was looking for a possible short on NQ, but I wasn't sure about the 1 minute, so that's why I switched to, and we were in the bullish flag thingy. Should have taken a short, maybe too late to say now, but I was looking at the 5 minute. Yonix, what's up? Lost 800. 100 lot. It's you can make it back. 100 lot. you can make it back. I know. You know, 800, I was in the same situation multiple times on a funded account with, for example, MyFundedFutures as well. You can make it to pay out, but it takes, obviously, time. Satoshi has a good point. Satoshi has a good point about Bulenox, by the way. It's because of the daily payouts. So once you reach the safety threshold on Take Profit Trader, anything you make, any profit you make on a single day or a single session, with just one click, it's immediately, you can withdraw it immediately. And the average time after clicking it out from your trading account on your bank account, it's in 12 hours. Obviously, they have to approve it. If you do it in business hours, New York business hours, it's faster. It's in about 3 to 4 hours. But so, for example, if you make $300 on a good trading day, or $500 or whatever with Take Profit Trader, there's no minimum trading days there to do it. So you make a good profit, click, boom, just take it out. Anything above the safety threshold. Oh, I see. The Eval feels like Steam funded. Yeah, but now they deleted the daily loss limit, so that's a huge advantage. Yeah. Fast 8 points on your Bulenox full board. Yeah. Oh, you did? Oh, I got. Yes. Yes. Something about that. Yes, I made. Yeah, so I made about 8 points there. Past top step 4 times, got wrecked on XFA every time. Oh. Bulenox is so on. Yeah, no social media presence, no Discord. Feels like money laundering scheme. Hey, casual. Exactly. As long as they pay out, I don't even care what they do in the background. I mean, obviously, don't kill people or something like that. But as long as they are paying out, I don't care about their business model. They could be running a car rental business. I don't even care. They could be running a grocery shop. Grocery, I can't speak. Whatever. I don't care what Bulenox does in the background. As long as they pay out after the trades, I don't care what they do. I'm a full port. Just be careful, you know. Be careful. 100 line. Yeah, they take the 20%. Yes, so 80-20 profit split from the get-go. So there's no opportunity to... not like other prop firms, they let you go away with 100% of your profits in the first 10K, 20K. Take Profit Trader takes 20% from the first payout immediately. But hey, still, daily payouts. The Tick Trader direct account, there's a Valentine's Day promotion right now. I think it's $300 for the 50K, I think. Let me check it on Tick Trader. You can use the code VAL, V-A-L, which is my code right now. You can use the Tom Sabo code too, but the Valentine's Day sale is working. Let me just see. Yeah, $299, but the 50K account is only on Project X. So if you want to go with the 100K, then you can use TradeAway or NinjaTrader as well. But it's $377. So there you go. If you use the code VAL as the Valentine's Day sale, 50K instant funded account $299. And 100K instant funded account is $377 one-time payment. Yeah, the promo VAL. I think I put it in the description as well in the stream. Let me just check it out. I'm trying to refresh the description now as much as I can to be always accurate about the current discounts. Yeah, Tick Trader Valentine's Day flash sale on direct funded accounts, code VAL. I do have the Tom Sabo code, but that's only giving you 40%. And if you want to go with evaluation accounts, there is no custom code for it. They use the TTT40 Eval for evaluation accounts. Everything is in the description. You will find the link and the codes. Apex lifetime now is $125. Is that so? Because their dashboard up? Yes. So you have to wait. Sorry, Kirk. I forgot to mention. You have to wait until the dashboard updates. Sorry. 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Eastern Standard. p.m. Yeah, so I think I was explaining it wrongly. You make the profit. For example, you make $300, $400 a day on Take Profit Trader. The website's dashboard has to update. I'm just not sure if you have to wait. I mean, the rhythmic, if you use rhythmic connection with Take Profit Trader, that only updates at 10 p.m. If you use DXSpeed or CQG, that should be updating sooner. But if the website is updating, that's when you can request the payout. But rest assured, it will be paid out immediately on the same day. I think you have a point there, Kirk. We have to wait for the dashboard on the website to update. Yeah, Apex is like, I think they have the numbers, and they see the numbers, and they said like, okay, we can give some discount, but then the activation fee is going to be higher. I mean, they are basically making money on the activation fees mostly. I mean, obviously on the evals too, but Just in right is here. Hey, long time no see, I think. I did see you lurking around some other streams. Welcome, hello. Oh yeah. Oh, by the way, I have no idea. Oh, my gold trade got whacked. Oh, what a shame. I'm out from the gold short. Oh, that's sad. I'm out of the gold trade. I was really hoping to reach for that 5-minute busy down there, but anyway. Interesting. Okay, so what about now? This one was actually almost like a bear flag. Now I'm looking bear flags and bull flags everywhere. Where could be the drawn liquidity? It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell right now. Do you know how long the Apex 80%? Yes, I think it lasts until the 19th. So that's next Wednesday. Next Wednesday, all day until the end of, I mean, 23:59 Eastern Standard Time, right? So all day Wednesday. Yeah. Yeah, Friday you have to be careful. You have to be extremely careful on Fridays. You had it since college. One thing I did was replace the transmission assembly. All of that thing has been wow. So I heard about those cars that they are actually built like for eternity. Like they are really, really reliable. The lifetime apex speed goes down. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, if you buy, I think if you buy the account, the evaluation account now, I think the activation, I don't know if the activation fee is still going to be, I mean, I don't know. So if they bring it down lower, you might still have to pay the higher activation fee because you purchased it during the sale. So I don't know about that. No confirmation. Full and bear flag. Yeah, that's Patrick Whelan's favorite. I promise as soon as the weather is gonna be better, I'm gonna bring down my laptop to the garage and I'm gonna be streaming next to my car. That's gonna be awesome. I promise I'm gonna do it. Pinky promise. I swear I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna bring down my laptop to the garage, and I'm gonna trade from there. I'm gonna stream from there. Silver is running. Yeah, 100 would be better. Yeah. No, I didn't show it yet, 100 lot. I didn't show it yet. I'm making a video and I'm going to upload it hopefully by tonight at the end of New York or something. There's some minor editing required and I still have to make a short video. It will be like a few minutes long. Nothing fancy. It's gonna be a vlog video. But it's gonna be funny. Anyway, I'm gonna put it out there, and we're hyping it up now. You know, this is the hype. You know, this is the hype phase for a cheap car. Yes. It's gonna be like a car review, but maybe I'm gonna be one of those car YouTubers. You know, at the end. You know. Yeah, thanks. It's gonna be nothing special. I'm gonna say goodbye to the Mazda. Yesterday I filmed it, by the way. The guy thought I'm crazy, like I was filming the Mazda and anything and everything. And so the guy, anyway, who bought the car from me, the old one, and I did a video, and I was waving goodbye to the car. Anyway. It's gonna be awesome. Macra TS. Oh my god, that's a nice one. 2011, and the only thing I've done was change the alternator once and just oil. Wow, those cars are indestructible. Yeah, Supercar Blondie, she's on a different level. I mean, that she lives in Dubai, lots of supercars, hypercars there, and I think her husband is one of the super wealthiest persons in Dubai. That's what I know about Supercar Blondie. I think her husband is like one of the richest people in Dubai. So this is the way she has access to many of these places, which is good, awesome. But you know, money opens doors. Oh man, I was hoping for the gold short. And now I honestly don't have that feeling like, okay, this is, oh, by the way, I do have a feeling. I'm gonna take a short on NQ. I'm short on NQ. Just a second. I saw something. Okay, I'm short. I'm short on NQ here. Thank you. Shorting NQ. Oh, finally. This is where we're going. Don't do this. I'm crazy, I'm an idiot, and I have no idea what the hell I'm talking about. But I jumped into a short 132.50, and here comes the explanation. And if you guys can guess it, you might as well guess it why I shorted from here. Okay, here it is. Here's my short. Only $100 risk. I'm gonna show you why I jumped in, because I totally forgot something. This. Let me delete this. Just distraction. This. Boom. Not the best one, but I do like that area, and we have almost like Asia lows down there. This is a demand zone or bullish order block. Not a beautiful one, but it does shifting structure to the upside. And I was watching on the 5-minute. We had an inversion gap here on the 5-minute. Has been shifted here and left a, I'm zooming in now on this 5, and left a small fair value gap here. Now it doesn't look good. That's the problem. Left a small fair value gap, and my idea was that after we inverted this fair value gap and picking up liquidity from this small fair value gap, this could be a good entry, you know, to go down there and visit that area. So this is my idea on the 5-minute. And now it's just going higher, of course. But this is why I entered the short. My stop is at 141.75, so just above that recent swing. Maybe I should put it a little bit higher, somewhere around 45.25, because it can still try to reprice or get above that inversion gap. Maybe it would be safer to put it up there. My entry is very bad. $132.50 is my entry. I wanted, so that's why I missed my entry. I should have put on a sell limit here. But anyway, I entered here. Risk to reward ratio is almost 1 to 2. Anyway. I'm in a drawdown now, but this is the 1 minute chart. The other one was the 5 minute. Silver. I'm not really into silver, but let me. Yeah, it's going higher. Oh my god, what's happening with silver? Yeah, silver is going like crazy. Whoa, whoa. FT Trades. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you, thank you. Enjoy the stream. You're gonna buy NQ from... Yeah, no problem with that. You hope I win. I hope we all win in a way. Oh yeah, it's TGIF. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Oh yeah. Yeah, Martin, I'm gonna keep an eye on that. You took the trade, Luna, in 10 minutes? Nice. Let's see what happens, you know. 25 a tick? Wow. That's a lot. Thanks, FT Trades. And welcome again. Yes. If we break this nicely, a waterfall can come in place, and then we should be taking that 5-minute zone down there. That would be awesome. That was point of control. All right, Art. Hello, Art. Welcome. What's going on? I'm not too happy about this position, to be honest. Actually, I'm going to switch to the 5-minute here on Quant Tower. I was expecting a faster move down. The problem, we have a volume imbalance on the 5 here. Jeez. At least not on the mini, but still. So small flat candle here with a gap. Not that it means too much, but we'll see. Whoa. Come on. Let's go. Waterfall. Waterfall down. Let's take that waterfall. Let's go, baby. Let's go down. Let's go down. It's not over yet. It's not over until it's not over. So it's not over until it's not over. Until we're not reaching that freaking TP. No partials. Oh, maybe I should. I'm going crazy right now. Should I take partial here? All right, I took partial. I took a partial. I made back the loss from the gold trade. It's at break even now. Come on. What is happening? We have to visit that zone. Come on. Oh my god, look at the take profit there. Go. Jesus. Oh my god. I took partial, at least. Risk-free, yes. You're his stop loss? No. Oh. Well, this is exactly what NQ does. Missing my TP with one tick. I had the same exact TP. So, nothing's changed. Check out that at 73. Oh yeah. Yeah. I see that. Nice. Come on. Just drop it. Drop it, NQ. Uh-oh. Drop it, NQ. Come on. I know you want to. Come on. Come on, NQ. One more. Let's go. We made back the loss and back to profit. Back to green. It's not about the money. It's about the trades. At London, baby. London, baby. Hard time for market maker sell model. That could be. So actually, this zone acted as good target. There's still a fair value gap at 100, so I think it could go for a secondary target. The 100 level could be good for a runner. I don't have it, but thank you. New car, new day. Make money, yes. That's usually the best. You know. Make money. Make money. I don't know if it wants to continue. I think it wants to. But the analysis here was, I would say it was correct, because it acted just as it, inversion gap, reaction, rejected, boom. So everything lined up here. these signs were good, and all we needed is a target, and here's the target. So but I think 100 is gonna be it. I mean, it should go down to 100, but I don't know. There's a nice gap down there, and the flat candle on the left on the 5-minute chart that should be taken out, but I'm not scalping this. Look at that. It's at 100.75 on the micro and should be filling the gap. So 100, nice round number. 230, the sell-off again here. Yeah, the 1 minute actually showed the signs of the sell-off. So on the 1 minute, which I wasn't watching, here were the signs here, these gaps and these rejections. These rejections, what is this color, man? Oh my god. So these rejections on this gap up there were pretty much telling the story, like, okay, and then when it got down there, anyway. And then another gap here, boom, rejected, going lower, everything. So this here was beautiful if I look at it on the 1 minute, but I was scared to take it. That's why I didn't even watch it. But as I look at this right now, it's easy to look back, right? Captain Obvious here. So as I look at it now, it's actually nice. A nice reaction, as it should, on a market maker sell model here. Boom. I'm not sure if it's officially a market maker sell model, but it's definitely a nice bearish movement. As it should. No problem, Fisher. That's my diamond hands and hold it. Average is 42. So you're in a short. I think you are, because you're looking for the 50, right? Diamond hands. Let's go, real folks. 148 contracts on the buy side at 22. Really? Whoa. I mean, there's a gap down there. Could be. Flat. Let's get that 50 baller for real folks. As I said, if I zoom this 5 minute out, look at, there's a flat candle here. I like it. There's a fair value gap here. I like it. Actually, this is a nice swing low, which is, this would be, I think this is the Asia low right here. Oh man, I think this is Asia low. So I'm gonna replace this as Asia low. So 91.50, I think. That's what I would consider officially, just before Asia market open. That's a nice swing low. So it can still go, but now it's hesitating a little bit. You're short 5 mini from 136. Oh my god. Are you really? Wow. Exit order is 1 p.m. on Friday. Okay, that's going to be an interesting one. I think you would have caught the high of the day during London if you just stayed in that short. Yeah. Yeah. I think so too. Yeah, but yeah, well, you know, I'm just going for the crumbs here. But it's good. 92 is the tip, so that works. Yeah, 92 is a good area. You know, take out the Asia low for real folks. That's it. I am pretty much confident that this would be the official Asia low, 91.50 on the micro. 5 micros, that is still awesome with 5 micros. That's a nice trade from up there. we're gonna get 4th sell-off Friday in a row. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. I don't know. Dilzik, I'm not. Fridays, especially in New York session, not always turn out to be good for me. So I'm I'm a little bit scared about these Fridays. I wish there were minis. Oh, Richard the Beast is here. Welcome, Richard. Richard. I need to learn pronunciation. I know. Or I can just speak with full accent, like, hello, Richard. Good morning. Hello, good morning, everybody. So let me read some English words without trying to pronunciate properly. I have a big target, trying to hold sales, all NY and NY down to 22,000 area. Okay. Look for FIBO level, usually should take. Ho ho ho. English. This whole trend down is a big bull flag. Yes, maybe. I'm looking today for those 15 BC that are on field. Okay, this way when I'm trying to speak without any proper pronunciation, it makes a little bit easier for me. Because, you know, it's much easier. So after this time, now on, I'm just going to speak without any lack of proper pronunciation. I'm just going to speak like this. Anyway. Don't worry. I'm bringing back the proper pronunciation. Yeah. Drop it, NQ. You need to. Similar English to as Russians, yeah. A little bit. I'm not Russian though. No, I'm no problem with that. No, but I wonder if I had maybe maybe I have some Russian blood in my family. I don't know. No, I actually came from a small village. So News McBoots is here. Oh, I love the name, man. What's happening? Welcome. I placed the limit short from 126. Oh, that's good. That's good. Ended the stream. Winning morning. Congratulations, man. Awesome. Let's go. I'm a small town boy. Yeah, so I came from a village. Up 20 points, gave it back, then got it back. Yeah, so what I did, News McBoots, I had the losing trade on gold. And then I entered the short here on NQ with a bigger risk to reward. So I made it back and a bit of a profit there. So interesting start in this London session, but I enjoyed it. Mix of German, USA, and Israel. Don't know what my family was doing. What my family was doing in the war. Nobody knows what happened back then, you know. Oh my God, NKM. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much, NKM Futures. Thank you. Well, I do really need the money to maintain the maintain the service costs of this new car. Actually, it's not a secret anymore, but I did have a bigger loan. I still have some of it, but I saved up money a lot, as much as I could last year to pay off that loan, or at least a bigger portion of it. So I paid off as much as I could, and I saved up a little bit of money for the car. But now that I bought the car, bank account is drained. So need to make some payouts from trading. By the way, I'm getting closer to a Bulenox payout here. The recent one, which was this. So this one is at $3,081. I need to make 520, and I'm gonna take out another 1,000 if I can. I hope I make it there. Loss was because that run up. Oh yeah, it was an interesting run at the 2 a.m. I was watching that. I was like, what is happening? Obviously, some liquidity sweep. He can, obviously. He can visit. No, the car video is not out yet. I have to finish some editing. It's gonna be a short video, so don't expect too many stuff in it. I'm gonna say goodbye to the old rusty Mazda, and I'm gonna do a bit of an editing and switch to the new car. And I'm gonna talk about it. It's gonna be a review video, basically, like what can you get for this kind of money and what troubles do I get myself into in the future. It's gonna be a short video. Maybe the whole channel is gonna turn into a car review, car video channel, whatever. I don't know. Official, no. There are some unofficial Discords, though, with no fear. There are unofficial Facebook groups, unofficial Discords. So there are, but no, not official. No official Bulenox. Oh yeah, Equity Open is getting closer. Be careful, everybody. 2008 RAV. Oh, that's a nice car. The RAV4. That's actually one of my neighbors has a RAV4. That's a good car. Well, we'll see. The pre-market open will show us the way, hopefully. Yeah, they told me that those cars are also indestructible. 180k miles still has. Oh, those are strong. Yes. Yeah, the rust. Yeah, the rust. That was the issue with my Mazda. So I would be still going from point A to B if it wasn't for the inspection. But here in Hungary, just like in Germany and many other countries, we have inspection in every 2 years. So we have to take the car for an inspection to have the license for another 2 years to stay on the road. And I took it to the place just to look at it, and I actually took it to 2 places, and they told me it's not gonna make it. Like, you know, in a bad action movie, like, it's not gonna make it, man. It's not gonna make it. They told me there's no way that the Mazda is gonna get a license for the next 2 years. It has too much rust on it everywhere. So, and there, a guy came up and told me he is absolutely ready to buy it in this condition, rusty and everything. And I said, well, all right, you know. I showed him that, look at all this rust. And he said, no problem, he wants to take it. I said, all right, here you go. So, Wisconsin, yeah, the winter can be hard there, yeah. How high the interest rate on loaning for a car? Well, the interest rate yearly, it differs. You know, it differs. There are different options available, but on average, the interest rate on a car lease or car loan, usually they call it lease now here, is a usually, I'm gonna say an average number, is an averaging about 15-17% per year. 15%, 17% per year. There are some financial institutions with 20%. Some of them have it for 12, 13%, depending on the car, depending on some other factors, but somewhere around 15, 17%-ish, you know, per year on lease. So it's obviously not that cheap. Yeah, that's high. That's high. That's very high. I'm talking about mainly like it's almost like a loan. Depending, Albert, depending on how long you want to lease the car, how old is the car, how much money you're putting in as the first what's it called? I don't know what's it called in English. You have to put down some deposit, you know, for the lease. Basically, the first deposit, how much you put in. So these factors are different. You can go down to as low as 11 or 12% ish, but again, it depends on the car as well. You know, down payment. Yeah, down payment. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Thank you. So down payment depends on the down payment, the type of car, the type of engine, the how much a year you want to have the lease contract for, and some other options, but anywhere between 12 to 20%, but you can go down to around 12, I think, yearly. So not cheap, not cheap, that's for sure, not cheap. Some people who are having like a company here in Hungary are actually renting the cars. So they have a newer car, like almost just a few years old, and if they have a company in Hungary, they just renting it because then it's tax deductible, right? So they are renting it, and they just renting the car for 2 or 3 years, and they just get another car after 2 or 3 years. But that's only good for those who have a company. Okay, look at this. We have the pre-market open. This one could be. We picked up liquidity from this gap here. Oh, sorry. Picked up liquidity here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Are we gonna go for that Asia low? 0 to 7. I think it's also depending on the currency, you know. The Hungarian forint, the US dollar, you know, it has to do something with economics, stuff like that. I don't know. Yeah, something. The tariffs kicking in, yeah. Pre-market open. Pre-market open, sorry. Pre-market open, use McBoot. So we are 4 a.m. Pre-market opens at 4 a.m. or equity open. Equity open, basically not equity open, but futures are open, I know, but they call it pre-market open, right? Stock market, pre-market, electronic trading hours for stock market. That actually kicks in. I don't know what to call it. Yeah. NY, yeah, New York pre-market open at 4 a.m. exactly. If you Google it, you will find, if you just Google New York pre-market open, you will have everything. XRP is pumping. Whoa, look at that. XRP, 1 hour chart. It's pumping, man. You know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for Talcoin. Look at that, Talcoin, boom. Look at how high it went back in 21, and I think even before, and now Talcoin is just is going higher. I was watching this, but I was hesitating if I want to buy or whatever. But if I would have bought here in November, one of my friends told me in November that I should buy Talcoin, and it was like, I don't even know, 48, and now it's at 96, and I think it could go still higher. Like, look at how high it was. Boom. Jesus, look at that. So Talcoin. But the problem is I don't have that kind of money. Oh. What the hell is happening? What the hell is happening here? Okay, let's watch this. If we stay below the mid-level of this 5-minute gap, it could be still okay. But what a reprice. What is going on here? Wow. Crypto ETF will coming soon. I would say 91.50 would be my Asia low. It's before 8 p.m. market open. This swing low would be my Asia low that I choose to go with. But right now it seems like, wow, is this going to invert this gap? It doesn't look good. You bought that low. Let's go, Bowser. Let's go. ChatGPT is the way to go. It'll tell you where things are in your time zone. Yeah. Yeah, Gemini is good. And what about that DeepSeek? Is that good? I tried it the other week when it came out in the news. Like, is DeepSeek any good? I don't know. SMT with YM. DeepSeek, or what is that? I don't know. Deepfake. Yeah. That's the the Chinese version. I don't know if it's any good. DeepSeek, yeah. Yeah, it could be going back to midnight right now. It looks like it inverting this gap maybe. Not the perfect. I was thinking that is this a very shorter block, but not the perfect one. Here. I'm not going to jump into buy because not. What is Nvidia doing? Just a quick look. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia opened up with the gap here and shooting higher. I'm gonna stay neutral for now and sit on my hands to see what this one's doing. Yeah, the French came up with a better AI model called Le Chat. Reminds me of that scene from Pulp Fiction, Le Royal, Vincent Vega. And, Le Royal. I don't even know, but I like that scene. This is good, but you can't do much. You can use it unlimited. Oh, I see. Servers are always busy. Nice. So I guess everybody's coming out with an AI. Good morning, Zach T. Yeah. Shouldn't have want to work back up into. Yeah, so we gone through this. We got through this. So we basically inverted this gap. All right, so that's an inversion. Picked up liquidity, not everything. So I would say this is an unfinished move on the downside still. I'm not trusting this bullish move right now. I don't trust it. I don't like it. It's rejecting from the mid-level of this gap. Royale with cheese. Yes. Equal highs. Up there at 200. Or where is it? Let me look at the daily. This is historical high, right? Okay. Daily. 4 hour, nothing. 1 hour, nothing. I'm gonna go back down to the 5. I don't see anything in the longs right now to take a long. I'm a little bit skeptical about going long, but that doesn't mean it's not gonna. But as long as this gap up here is rejecting price, I'm gonna be favoring the Asia low down there. But it's just a secondary thought. Right, years ago. It already took out. Yeah. Yesterday. Yeah. And Jacques is here. Oh my god, I missed you, man. Where have you been? Come on. 162 on the 5 minute. Oh, this one. Yes. Okay, I gotcha. Yeah, up there. Mm-hmm. Technically equal highs, but yes, it equal highs. So on the 1 minute, it looks better. Yes, obviously. Yeah, that's true. I like it. That's good. How is USA today? I think Trump is still sleeping, so I have no idea. But yes, those are back-to-back candles. I think they could be considered just one high. So yeah, on the 5 minute, exactly what you say there, News McBoot. So these are next to each other on the 5 minute. I know other traders are considering it as equal highs, which technically they are. But when I see them next to each other, I consider them as one high to me. But on the 1 minute, though, they are separated. But here, these are, for me, it's just one high. Look at the rejection there. Oh, not yet. Okay, never mind. Bullish order block down there on the 1 minute. Not a good one. Not a perfect one. A little bit of a... So not a good one. Excuse me. Still a little bit sleepy. You enjoying just watching the action from the sidelines. To the moon. Bowser is going to the moon with this trade. I see that now. Gábor, üdvözöllek. Fellow Hungarian trader, Gábor. De rég láttalak. Hogy mint? Mi a helyzet veletek? Remélem a hurikán után minden helyre állt. Yeah, good for traders, yeah. You think that inspector said it won't pass? What? Think that inspector said it won't pass, so Sprint can buy it for cheap. Yes, I think so, Ali. So I think the guy who bought the Mazda from me obviously has some connection to an inspection station somewhere. Obviously, that's what I was thinking too. That he's going to pass the car, but I don't know. He's going to pass, and he's going to. I think he already has a buyer for the car. To be honest, I think the person who bought the car from me already has the buyer for it. Most likely, he's going to put on some margin to it, obviously, and I think he has a connection to get the inspection passed. I think that's the only reason why he was doing it. So no other way. He's not going to repair it, that's for sure. So he, corruption and bureaucracy walks hand in hand, especially in this country. So I think he has a connection to pass that car. I don't care. Yeah. Minden tuti. Oké. Ja, igen, kevés időm. Hát örülök, hogy rendben van minden, örülök neki. Örülök. Tényleg. Meg annak is, hogy trédelsz. And it's just shooting shit but them. Yeah. that's the thing. I mean, it's not even a new thing. It was always a thing, like in the past 35 years or even earlier. So it was always a thing. That's how it works. Bowser is buying breakfast. take an all-American slam. You only Mr. Trump's state of mind. Okay. Well, he's sleeping now, so I don't. What happened, Richard? Come on, Richard. What happened? Were you holding a short? Oh, went short. Yeah. Trump never sleeps. One contract. One mini. 320 down. Oh, I see. Then one mini. He doesn't need sleep. Some rumors are saying, especially now circulating on TikTok, 500 stop loss. Well, it's good you exited that trade. You made the good decision to close it. Don't worry, you did good. So some rumors are circulating on TikTok and everywhere that the real president is not Trump but Elon Musk. So is that true? I don't know. Rumors are saying that Elon Musk is the real president. I don't know. I saw those videos that Elon Musk's kid stepping to Trump and saying, "You're not the president, you should go away." And he said, "You should suss your mouse." And Trump was like, huh? That was an interesting video. The POTUS never sleeps. So Richard, I think you did the right thing closing it. It's now better to wait on the sidelines. It looks bullish now. Now it looks bullish that we got through that mid-level. Augustus. No nonsense. They are jealous. I see. Musk is not human. Yeah, I saw the video on the inauguration ceremony, or what's it called? The video when Elon Musk rebooted. You know, they said his system must be rebooting. Like he was like, oh, and reboot happened. Anyway, I'm just trolling. I'm just having fun, but obviously, yes. I no nothing no Jacques, nothing bad against Trump, nothing. I was just, you know, I hope Trump will do the job. Obviously, I am super surprised how much money the United States was spending on those things, like the US aid thing and other things. I was like, wow, that's a lot of money for, I'm gonna say it, I'm sorry, it's not a political side from me, but those things were nonsense. Millions, hundreds and millions of dollars being spent to what? Oh my god, I was like, $50 million for condoms in Africa? I was like, what the hell? That's interesting. Anyway, so I really hope, I sincerely hope the best. Exactly. Red Pill Unplugged. Red Pill, absolutely full respect here. Absolutely, they're geniuses. Elon Musk is a genius. So transgender Broadway shows in Uzbekistan. Ah, yeah, I was reading that. I was like, wow, interesting. Yeah. Yeah, so yes, exactly. So that was absolutely nonsense, like sending condoms to a country that is not using condoms. Anyway, I don't want to slip into a political thing because I'm not taking sides here, especially you know, I don't live in the US. I was just surprised on some of those spendings. So obviously it's a great thing. I'm just reviewing as an outsider. I think it's a great thing that those totally unnecessarily spendings were cut. So obviously the Doge department doing the job already. So that's a good thing, right? So obviously, speaking of any country in the world, those kind of spendings should be stopped, right? Okay, so what's happening? Is this a bearish engulfing, not engulfing, but bearish shift to the downside maybe? Yeah, 50 million. Good morning, Spigs. Hey, welcome. Yeah. Should be closed. Yeah. Yeah. You have politicians that make only 200K a year and are worth 60 million. Wow. Interesting. So we're hearing him come out of us say Ukraine made me proud. Exactly how I feel. Stop wars. Yes. Stop the war. Jacques, I know. Spend on country on origin of Mr. Schwartz. Yeah, I know. Anas, hey, welcome to the stream. Yes. Oh, they auditing the IRS. Oh, that's gonna be interesting, man. I wonder what they find there. We spend more on weapons than we do on fighting disease, hunger, diplomacy. Yeah, yeah. I understand, Red Pill. So, no disrespect on my end. I think these steps were absolutely good and necessary, and I do agree. And I'm not even saying political things about this. Even if we just speak numbers and reality, like Watch year? Do you know? I don't know. Jacques, what are you talking about, man? I don't know. Help me out. We're going to test 538. I'm going to show you this candle here. This bullish candle, the 5-minute, picked up liquidity here. Boom. Bearish candle formation. I think we're going down. Actually, I'm going to take a short. Small position. Taking a short. Taking a short. And I'm going to target. It's on a different account, but it's only on an evaluation. Don't worry. I took a short trade based on the rejection. For me, this is a rejection, a strong rejection. I'm using this to take this gap out once more and go down to Asia lows again. Actually, I'm going to be fine at 100. Okay, 101. This is my short. This is the idea that I choose to take. Oh, Bill Clinton and Monica Lewinsky. Well, that's an old story. Yeah. Anas, hey there. Definitely. I would be a bad president for sure. That all the excessive spending. Oh, that would be interesting, I guess, right? That would be interesting. The Trump team is getting the job done. I'm on fire today. Good morning, Third. What's happening? I'm not saying I'm on point, but as I said, I was looking at the 5-minute here on this gap. So took a little bit of liquidity, bearish rejection. For me, when I see this, taking liquidity, bearish turnaround, because this bearish candle traded lower than this bullish candle, which swept the highs. For me, this is always a strong reaction, especially because we are in an inversion gap. So this is a very strong reaction from the market. Obviously, it can just still go higher, picking up liquidity here and then pushing higher, but I like this. So if it takes that out, it is what it is, you know. I'm not gonna cry. We're moving on, you know, with our lives. And we're just gonna forget about it. And all these memories will be lost like tears in rain. Which movie was this? All those memories will be lost like tears in rain. All right. With abuse free resets. Satoshi, don't tell this. On the 1 minute, maybe an inverted head and shoulders. Maybe. I don't know. This is no, it's not NAS 100. It's NQ. It's futures, micro Nasdaq, NS. New car, new Tom. Old car, same Tom. You know? Yeah, you're staying out. Yeah, I think it's, you know, that's why I only went in with 2 micros. So if I lose, I'm just gonna lose like $50-something, nothing. But if I win, that's a good $100. I'm not gonna take partials on this. I just let it be. It didn't go for the 100, by the way. That's why I'm saying it could be a good target. Blade Runner, exactly, Dan. Blade Runner. Beautiful. I think one of the most or best iconic sentences or sentence in the history of movies. And Rutger Hauer, rest his soul, came up with that line. It was not in the script. He came up with that line himself. Almost like improvising it. All those memories will be lost like tears in rain. That is like so beautiful, so beautiful. Such a beautiful line there. I just love it. I love it. So yeah, let's see where it goes. Oh, the Total Recall was good with the good old Arnie. Satoshi would be voting for me. I like that. Blown away. Oh. In the rain? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he was an excellent actor. I think he was such a good, you know, he was so much into character. Not just in that, every movie. His presence, only his presence, you know, he doesn't even have to speak. Rutger Hauer doesn't even have to speak. He just steps into a room and his eyes, his looks and everything, and everybody's okay, you know. That's Rutger Hauer. So he had that perfect charismatic look, or I don't know how to say it. He definitely was a huge character, an actor, character actor. I don't know how to say it, but definitely a great talent. The new one was good too. I like the new one. I do love the new the 2049. First, I was a little bit like and I watched it a second time, and then it felt better when I watched it the second time. It actually felt better, so I liked it. I absolutely like the new one. Yeah, that the odd number of breasts. Yeah. Acting like in theater, yeah. Anthony Hopkins also, absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. Anthony Hopkins does the same. When he gets into character. Whoa, Mauro Rosselli. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Welcome. Thanks for joining. So, when Anthony Hopkins steps in the room, the same thing. I know, obviously, nowadays he's not doing too much movies, but I know he has lots of great movies. But there was the TV show Westworld. You guys know that. I love that TV show, by the way. Westworld, I think it was just so awesome. It's so bad that they canceled it, especially the first 2 seasons. And Anthony Hopkins in the first season in Westworld, I think he was just awesome in Westworld. The professor who knows everything, he has his secrets, raising suspicions, secrecy, everything. I think his character was absolutely, I think he carried the show. Anthony Hopkins carried Westworld. So, definitely, absolutely great. I might even say that one of his best acting was in Westworld series. Yeah, let's flush this finally. Come on, NQ. Yeah, he was great. They always cancel the best shows, right? Battlestar Galactica, that was good too. By the end of the show, it was a little bit like, okay, but, well, this is going to be a step out. No problem. I don't care about this too much. So I was hoping for a bearish reversal in that gap. Nothing more. I don't want to go long on this, but when I saw this, like, okay, sometimes NQ does this. It inverses the gaps multiple times. I think I'm out already. I'm still in. I don't know how. And relative equal lows down there at 100. So I thought, let's go and take it out. Well, I tried, I'm not going to force it. This is on a different account, evaluation, by the way. And so I was risking like $50-something for the stream. MyFundedFutures account here, by the way. So let's just take it out. There you go. I don't care. It's going higher. By the way, I should have known. I mean, well, picked up liquidity, inside bar. I don't know. It's a little tricky. I still like the downside here at 100-ish area. I still like it. I can imagine that this one, look at that. This one swept liquidity again. This is the 1 minute. And it builds up some kind of a structure and goes. I'm going to put a line to 100. And goes down to that 100. I can absolutely imagine. Look at that. Look at this, man. Just look at this. This is like, wow. I'm not going to enter again. I'm not going to force it. This is not bullish. Yeah, it could be. It could be. This is turning into a bullish support zone. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call it here. I'm not going to take more trades. It was fun, but it's London and I don't feel more anything. Nothing. So that's it. 162, quite possible. Yes. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go out and drive the car like crazy, like there's no tomorrow. Now I'm going to have to finish with the video. So thank you so much. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the code, the cheat code for the prop firms. This is going to be my catchphrase. Thank you for helping me out with this. The cheat code for prop firms is Tom Sabo. So don't forget about it. Use it. Support the channel. Thank you so much, everybody. And what can I say? See you guys and ladies and gentlemen, ladies first, in the New York session. All right. So let's go burn some rubber on the car. All right. See you, everybody. God bless you all. And I'll be back later for New York. All right. Cheers.